Hey guys, we'll talk about silencers, suppressors, same thing. Most people think they're very hard to get, a lot of paperwork, a lot of steps involved, which is actually very untrue. We make it very simple here at Kirkland Armory. You come in, pick your can, be as small as your little 22 can here, or up to this 46 caliber silence co. Once we get that, we'll get a serial number. Plug that into the ATF's e-forms. Take your fingerprints right here in a fingerprint scanner I have. Fill out all the information. We send that all in and we wait. Right now the wait times are up to 260 days, unfortunately. But when you get that can, you're never going to want to shoot unsuppressed again. Thanks, guys.